Ripple continues to expand its services and focus on its core mission of becoming a blockchain-based protocol for fiat transfers. There is no longer any doubt that it can perform this function vastly better than the archaic SWIFT network that it seeks to replace, and more banks continue to adopt it. Nevertheless, the Arop coin, and the company behind it, are now at a crossroads where competition is increasing, and investors are growing weary of market cap declines. Earlier this week, Santander Bank announced that it would be expanding its use of Ripple as current network in the Western Hemisphere. Specifically, it is opening remittance options between Latin America and the United States via its OnePayX's mobile app. The app, which is already available in the UK and Spain, enables fiat to be sent nearly instantly and for free across borders. The Arop token moved up on the news, and investors are no doubt pleased, but the situation is a bit more complex. Santander, along with most of Ripple's adopters, presently use Current, which does not utilize the Arop token. In fact, the vast majority of progress made by the platform is related to Ripple Labs, the company that manages the token and has been largely independent of token adoption and use. Analysts have long held that what is good for Ripple Labs is ultimately good for holders of Arop, but this assumption may not necessarily hold true in all cases. The company owns more than half of the token supply, a portion of which it sells each month to raise revenue. These sales increase the circulating volume, thus depressing the price. Arop investors have tolerated this monthly coin dump on faith that Ripple Labs will push the token as used by banks and other financial institutions more aggressively, but thus far this does. You can read full post on CryptoFans News, link available in text below.